production of the Bible 8. A man lived in the region of Sumeria, near the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, and went south of the region he was in. His generation grew and ended up settling in the region of Egypt. A man from this people was educated in all the ancient knowledge of Egypt, and for some reason the person left Egypt for a more rural land. And in this place he went looking for the truth, but there was nothing else in the region to answer his questions. This man spent some time thinking about a story he had read or heard about a man, and he decided to try to tell the story of this man who had an experience with a miraculous entity. This man then tries to connect his mind to the entity, but how would this happen? Let's understand how the brain works when a person sleeps. First, there is relaxation and a reduction in the brain's conscious system. Over time, the person enters a state of deep sleep. At some point during deep sleep, rapid eye movement occurs, a state in which the person seems to experience situations. Brain activation occurs, but without fully active consciousness. The entire body is relaxed. The nervous systems connected to the muscles of movement are deactivated, leaving a system of mere virtual movement in dreams. There is a controller of the dream, which is not the person himself, an autonomous system that produces scenes and situations that are unusual for the person's own consciousness. When these situations reach an extreme, the person usually feels the need to wake up. Sometimes the situation even makes the person scream, but as part of the nervous system, it is not active, so it makes it difficult to connect the will to the real action of screaming. This entire system is an unknown in its existence. Defining that this system is a system that has evolved, like the evolution of species, is a mere invention. One thing is clear, is that such actions are real, not magical. But something in these situations is beyond the known, something that goes beyond the entropy system of the universe. The so-called creative leap. This leap occurs when someone manages to transcend current knowledge and paradigms, bringing original solutions or new perspectives. This violates the laws of entropy. But these leaps require knowledge about the objects inherent to the subject in which a creative leap is sought. And the foundation of the system that processes this data is imagination, and the dream system is linked to this. In this way, the action in developing the Bible is linked to these creative leaps, linked to an unknown system, and this we can refer to as universal consciousness.
Search for knowledge now. Mathematics, physics, archaeology, education, health, metaphysics, and much more. Go to reformadores.saúde and be surprised by the huge collection and many new features. Reformadores da Saúde, reforming health with love.